Founded in 2004, Newsky received recognition for its engineering, quality, and service. We are identified as a reliable supplier by world-famous brands companies. Our main services are custom machining, stamping die, metal stamping, sheet metal fabrication, injection mold, and entire production line equipment solution. With more than 30-year experience engineers and technician team, you'll see how good they understand your product and how easy to communicate with them. The diversity of our internal capabilities affords us to avoid expensive and unnecessary handling charges, while maintaining extremely cost control over any project. At Newsky, there are more than 19 presses, ranging from 60 up to 800 tons, and more than 26 sets high-precision machining equipment. With 19 years knowledge accumulation, Newsky has developed standardized guidelines and procedure to manufacture stamping die with long life, high production efficiency, super stable, and user-friendly. We are also capable of manufacturing small and large parts in sizes up to 3,000 millimeters, with dimensional tolerances up to plus or minus 0.001 millimeter. We are certificated by ISO 9001 since 2006. You can also get extra value from us for free sample, free consulting, free spare parts, and 7x24-hour tech support to save your time and operation cost. Working with Newsky is truly a competitive, one-stop shopping experience. Welcome to visit and audit our factory.